kids, welcome to maths class. On the last class we have written number from 1 to 6, its number name, and then we have made the circles, like 1 for 1 circle, 2 for 2 circles, 3 for 3 circles, similarly we have done till 6. Now for today we will continue after 6. Write down today's date. Today is 20. Okay, and then write down H A. On the topic you will write number name, and then we will start from number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay, so write down the spelling of 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. E-I-G-H-T, 8. N-I-N-E, 9. T-E-N, 10. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. and F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14. Okay, and now again we will make similarly the dots or circle, you can say, with different color pencils. For 7 small circles we will make. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Continue till 14. Okay, make similar dots. 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. And same thing you have to write down on the next page also. From 7 to 14 you will continue in the next page. And then after continuing in the next page, now again we will do something more. This is skip counting. For this again you write down today's date. Today is 25/20 H A, and then write down skip counting. Okay, so here we will write down numbers like 2 dash dash 5 dash. Now what you have to write down in this empty space, after 2 comes 3, 4, then 5 is written, and after 5, 6. Okay, so I will make the pattern and I will give you a snap of it, a picture of it, and you will complete the same thing in your copy by yourself. Okay, good morning kids. So this is your test paper for maths. Okay, this is your first test paper and it is of 20 marks. I have given you 5 questions which you have to do it in this worksheet. Okay, first of all you will be writing down your name and today's date. Then first question is write number from 1 to 20. 1 is already written over here and after 1 you have to write down in the boxes till 20. After 1 what comes, then after 1 then what you have to write it. I won't be telling you, you have to complete it yourself till 20. Okay, and then the second question is write the missing number in the sequence. Sequence is given but some of the numbers are missing, so you have to write down the missing numbers in the sequence and complete the series. Okay, after 6 then 8 then like this you have to complete the series. Okay, now the third question is make same number of circles as the number written in the box. Number is written in the box and you have to make circles, as many circles as the number is written over here. Okay, in this blank line you have to draw the circles as the number is written over here, like 5 you have to make 5 over here, then 7 over here, 3 then 3 over here, 12 then 12, 1 then 1. Okay, then match the number name. Number name is written over here and the numbers are written here and you have to match it. Like you have to match any 1 with the 1 number, 5 with the 5 number, 9 with the 9, 12 with the 12 and 14 with the 14. Okay, you will be completing this whole worksheet, test worksheet, and then you will be okay, so you will complete this worksheet. This is the basic worksheet for maths test number 1.